3D body scan in professional sports, and I will focus on some use cases for prevention, body tracking, and rehabilitation. So this is especially dedicated to soccer players, and leg length differences has quite an important, or can have an important impact on the player's quality and the likelihood of injuries. At a leg length difference of approximately 9 millimeter already can have structural and postural effects on the lumbar spine. 33% of the soccer players, they have a leg length difference of 9 millimeter with a scoliotic progression of the spine. So scoliotic changes often occur with asymmetrical neuromuscular activation and early fatigue of the spine muscles, and then the risk of injury increases. So left picture is frontal and dorsal view with a body scanner clearly shows that there is a leg length difference, because here some slices below the shorter leg, and to compensate the changes difference. And here you can clearly view, or you can clearly see that on the right side with a compensation, also the spine and the deviation of the pelvis is back in the right in straight. So use case 2 is body tracking. Here, so asymmetry of athlete is one of the most causes for musculoskeletal diseases, but also for poor performance. So the measurements and the process is like, typically it's done with a pre-season scan as a reference scan, and then subsequent scans every 4 to 8 weeks during training and also during competition. So the use case 3 is in the terms of rehabilitation. Here I brought an ACL injury and back to sport process, which is supported by 3D body scan. So when we have an ACL injury, so the medical staff is measuring the swelling in girth and volume. And when it comes then to the rehabilitation period over the 4 to 6 months, we measure the girth on the very upper area of the leg, of the injured leg. So based on more than 25 experience in that biomechanics, sports science and medicine, so we are launching a new product which will combine what we have learned in the past 25 years. And this product is a scanner platform, a new scanning platform, together with a new software platform, in order to generate all measurements dedicated to professional sports. An automatic measurement software means, of course, we will generate a default set of measurements, but of course the user is absolutely free in adding own anatomical landmarks and own anatomical measurements to the standard set of measurements.